welcome to my channel. This is another makeup tutorial. I'm so excited today to bring you this tutorial. I am here for my girl Shayla, and I always support her when she has any collaboration with any of these makeup companies. I've always supported her, and she did release a new collaboration with Colourpop on April 26th, and I ordered it and got it on May 7th or May 9th. And I was able to create this look for you guys today. I'm just quickly going to tell you what I like and what I don't like about the collection. Well, I do like the blushes that came with the collection. I love the lip pencils that came with the collections. I do not like satin lipsticks, and so for that I don't like the lipsticks. But as far as the shade for the lipstick, the shades that she picked, I love them. It's just that I do not like satin liquid lipsticks. I do not like the formulation. I don't like the way they feel sticky on the lips. They don't dry matte. They feel very sticky, and I don't like that. Another thing I noticed about the lipsticks, the colors that she picked are beautiful, but they are not pigmented. I don't see that much pigmentation on the lips. Well, I'm wearing one of the shades. I think it's Slow Down, but I will leave it on the screen during the tutorial. I will put that on the screen, but that's the shade that I'm wearing, and I had to do 3 or 4 layers, and it still didn't come out with the color that that I was hoping to, that I was hoping it will dry up to. But yeah, it is what it is. As far as the eyeshadows, I really don't care, because I have similar eyeshadows in some other palettes that I have here, and they are more pigmented than these shadows that are in this a new Proceed with Caution palette. So so the description of the palette is that it is a pressed powder palette. I'm not sure if that's why they are really. Some of the shades were not really picking. The shades were really chunky. I didn't like that. See the shade right here? You can see when I swatch it. I never used it on my eyebrow. When I swatch it, it came out with this kickback. There were fallouts. When I was blending the shadows, there were fallouts, and I was a little bit careful. This eye blended out very well, but this eye did not blend out well, and that's because when I put the concealer, I was blending, and then I got distracted because somebody came to my door, and so this shade did not blend out really well, but this one looks perfect. So the matte shades blended out well. I mean, the shimmer shades are okay, but for some reason there are a lot of fallouts, and when I swatched them on my hand, they were very chunky and they were not so nice. But again, swatches on the hand does not mean that the palette is not a good palette. It is probably because the palette does not swatch well. Because playing with makeup year after year in, year out, I have learned that when you swatch some shades, they really don't show out, but then on the eye, they really blend out well. So for the matte shadows, yes, I can definitely say they blended out well. I was so surprised that this white eyeshadow or cream or whatever it is blended out very well. The yellow shade blended out well as well. The burgundy shade here did blend out well also. The black shade right here did a good job. This is what I'm wearing, my other V, and then I just put on the top of this. But yeah, so far, will I recommend this palette? No, I wouldn't recommend it. And there are other palettes out there or shadows out there that are more pigmented than these ones in here. Pretty much is what I'm saying. And so you don't need to go out to buy it. But if you want to support your girl, Shayla, go for it. I mean, that was the only reason. I did see swatches of the palette when they were talking that when they were doing the promotion, and I didn't buy it because of the colors. I bought it because I wanted to support MakeupShayla, or Woman of Color, period. So moving on to the blushes, like I said, I do love the blushes. I use Whistle while you work today on my cheeks. So that's that one. Oops. So if you do care to see how I came up with this look, please keep watching. But of course, I have to talk about my hair. So this hair is from my hair company on Instagram, the Peaches Beauty Collection, right here. You can go and check us out. If you are interested in buying bundles from me, definitely give me a holler on there, send me a direct message or something. For highlight today, I went in with Boom, which is her pigment highlighter that was released with her Perception collection with Colourpop. I used that, and then I also used her Tarte's contouring contour palette, which looks like this. That's what I used today to contour and bronze and all of that. And then for foundation, I use my Dior Forever 24-hour full coverage foundation. I use Colourpop concealers under my eyes. I also use the Bobbi Brown concealer on my lid to cut my crease. And yes guys, this is the final look that I came up with. If you are interested in seeing how I came up with this look, there you go. Keep watching. So I'll quickly go and swatch these shadows for you guys. These are the shadows swatch. I don't like the way they pick up on my finger when I was swatching them, especially this shade called Money had a lot of chunks. But this is basically how you swatch. I went over the swatches twice so that the pigments will show. So on the top here, I have the shade Dead End. And after Dead End, I have the shade HZRD. And after that is Dead End. And after Dead End is Midnights. After Midnights, I have Caution. After Caution, I have Culture, which is the peachy one from a previous palette. After Culture, I do have Proceed. After Proceed, I have the shade Warning. After Warning, I have the shade Drill. After Drill, I have the shade Gloss On, which is this back. Among all of the shadows, the one that felt buttery and nice was Gloss On, which is the dark one, and also Proceed. And additionally, the shade Midnights did feel buttery as well. Those are the three shades that really felt nice when I touched them. But anyway, let's see how they apply on the eye. Now that I've swatched the shadows in the palette, let's move on to the pressed powder blush. I haven't tried any of Colourpop blushes when they were released. This is the opportunity for me to try them, even though I'm here supporting my girl Shayla. This shade is called Construct. Let's see. And that's how it applies. It feels very nice and buttery as well. I love the way it applied. And this is the other shade. And this one is called Whistle While You Work. I like the feel of it. So these are the two lip sets. And this one is slow down. This one is speed up. So this is how slow down looks. And it has BFF4 lip liner in it. I do own the BFF3 lip liner, which I really like. I love the texture of it. It's very pigmented, and I like that. This is the speed up satin lipstick, and then BFF3. So from the look of it, I think I want to use this speed up lipstick today. Let me see what we are speeding up here today. So if you do care to see the look that I'm going to create with this, please keep watching. So my eyes are done, and for primer today, I'm going to use Covergirl Full Spectrum Primer. It is a matte primer. For foundation, I'm using my Dior Forever Undercover 24-hour coverage foundation. For concealer, I'm using my Colourpop concealers. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, full coverage concealer. To complete my bronzing with this MakeupShayla and Tarte Cosmetics collaboration. This has been a while ago, and this was my holy grail. I stopped using it for a while. It smells really beautiful. It has a wonderful scent. So I'll take this angle brush from PH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this shade. For blush, are we using Whistle While You Work? Guys, this is the finished look. If you think you learned something from this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you back here on my next makeup tutorial or whatever content I will be bringing. Don't forget to subscribe. That's the most important thing. So subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you are notified whenever I upload a video. I will talk to you guys again. Bye.